Hello, my name is Goran Abramovic. I'm an employee of company Eurotehnika from Croatia. We are Eckert distributor for about 5 years now in CNC cutting machines, all technologies from oxy, plasma, waterjet and laser cutting technology. We cooperate with Eckert because it's a very reliable company with a very quality, robust but dynamic machines, and we can offer our customers only best quality and endurance through many years. Eurotehnika is based to provide customers only the best solution for their problems in cutting. So we are not only making pure sales, we are making their problems go away. And Eckert solutions in cutting field is one of the best in the Europe, maybe all around the world. So wide variety of Eckert products also give us a lot of space to cover entry-level machines in Croatia to heavy-duty machines. So we cover all the area of thickness, material thickness, 1 shift, 2 shift, 3 shift companies, and they can always rely on our quality and best production of the machines.
Our cooperation with the company Eckert is, I think, very successful, at least more than 3 years. And now we are on a very good position in the market and expansion. And also the next years we expect from our side and from company Eckert a lot of nice activities. Also other activities of company Eurotehnika is dealing and monitoring and also selling all the things which are connected with the welding. And also last few years with company Eckert we get the power, we get the knowledge how to deal in a field which is coming before the welding. It means cutting. So this is now the company Eurotehnika have one circle to satisfy all the customers in all their needs.